made NENGI up, and no, I will drop the picture somewhere. Although I could not really take much pictures because she was in a hurry and all that. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Super excited to be here. It's the end of 2020. Basically, it is 4 days to the end of 2020, and I cannot be more grateful. This video is actually not scripted. I just want to, because I've not posted anything for a very long time here, so I decided to come on my channel and just say and give you guys updates on what I've been doing so far, what has been happening with me, and end the year officially on my YouTube channel. By the way, I just posted a vlog. I don't know if I'll post the vlog before this video or I'll post this before the vlog, but I just created a vlog. Oh, pardon my manners. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Egorefa Orezi, and on this channel I share makeup tutorials, do makeup review, product reviews. We just learn basically all about makeup. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, definitely click on the subscribe button. Don't miss out. Join the family and let us learn together. So how has this year been for you? I want you to share all your experience with me in the comment section. How has this year been for you? Me, I have grown mentally, spiritually, physically, name it. I've met friends, I've met new people, I have learned and unlearned some stuff. I have changed. Thank God for the saying that change is the only constant thing. I have grown. I can say I have grown, I have grown a whole lot. YouTube channel, starting a YouTube channel was not easy. At the beginning you'll be like, oh, pumped, oh, it's easy, I will be posting videos every day. But man, when you combine YouTube channel and an actual job, you cannot just you have to give one more attention. Now I know that I'm not saying my YouTube channel is not important, but I just found out that I stopped posting as regularly as I would always post. I started posting less till it got to a time where I could only post once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, which I'm really going to work on next year. I'm going to create a solid balance between work and my YouTube channel, because I actually want to see this YouTube channel grow, because you guys support me, you guys subscribe to my channel, and I know you want to see good content. Okay, so next year it's my goal and it's my prayer that I put in more content on my YouTube channel. So yeah, so how has this year been for you? I know there was a pandemic, the lockdown, everything, businesses shut down, most people lost their jobs, most people gained their jobs back, most people after some few months, definitely most people gained more. I'm telling you, just the same way people are shouting that, oh, I lost this one, so doesn't mean that other people are not gaining. So many people made money. Again, I was in church today and people were giving testimony, this year is my best year yet. I was like, and I actually thought about it. Yes, I'm grateful because I still have my job. And income was coming, whether I like it or not, no matter how little or how it was still coming. Unlike some people that lost everything totally. So it's something I'm grateful for. Yes, I lost some friends, I gained some friends. I let so many things go, and funny enough, I think you should try this. Towards the end of this year, I just prayed and I was like, God, you know what? I'm done with some baggages, with some, with some friends, with some unhealthy, toxic relationship with friends or whoever, both business-wise, and I was just done. And I was like, God, you need to everything needs to end this 2020. Cannot enter 2021, because 2021 I want to be a new person. And and it was just okay, already you have to go through your list, go through them, who is doing this, who is doing that, let this one go and let this one go. And I just prayed for grace, and that was how I was able to clear out my calendar and take some people out of my life forever, which is something that is usually hard, because I always tell my friends to do the writing. I don't know why doing the writing is usually very difficult, but once you do it, you just find out that you are so free, and you are more, and you are open for possibilities, you're open for like better things to come into your life. Okay, I was saying that I just want to say the things that I'm grateful for. Yes, I'm grateful for my YouTube channel. I'm grateful for the friends I've met. I'm grateful for the clients. I'm grateful for my colleagues. I'm grateful for the life of my parents. I'm grateful for the life of my siblings. um I'm grateful for a lot of stuff. I cannot name everything, but generally I'm grateful that I am spiritually sound. I'm grateful for the salvation of my soul. Like, that is one thing I cannot joke with. No matter how life wants to come with its own challenges, and I'm always grateful for the salvation of my soul. The fact that he loves me even when I don't even show him enough that I love him. So that is just it. Like, I love the way he loves me, and with time, definitely God will give us the courage to love him just the same way he loves us. I'm grateful for growth. Like, my makeup game has grown from 0 to 100. I work with one of the best makeup firm in Abuja, Nigeria, actually, and it's not something that comes by easily. It's not something that comes by easily. You cannot just come to Abuja and just like go to the. It's not. It comes with dedication and hard work, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to work in that firm and to meet the amazing people I meet every day. And by the way, when I was going through the list of things I wrote down to achieve this 2020, despite the whole lockdown and everything, I was going through my list and I was like, yeah, guys, like, I was going through my list and I achieved like 80% of the stuff I wrote there. I was like, God, I did not even realize. Do you know that you write this stuff and you just keep them, but you just pray about it and be like, God, this is what I want for 2020. Like, actually, everything before this week, lots of what I wrote had already happened, and I was like, God, I'm so grateful, because one of the things I wrote down was that I wanted to make up a celebrity, which I actually did. So if you're familiar with Big Brother NAIJA, the top 5 reality TV star, that is NENGI. So I made NENGI up, and I will drop the picture somewhere. Although I could not really take much pictures because she was in a hurry and all that. But we're able to gist, we're able to vibe, and it was actually the second time I was meeting her though. I had met her in the studio earlier that week. Then I met her. I went to her hotel room to do her makeup, and God, I can say that babe is amazing. Like, all this anxiety you have when you meet celebrities, but she was just so cool and friendly. As in, I was just so happy because when I was going through my list and I said that I want to make up a celebrity, and I actually achieved it. I actually made up a celebrity. I had brides this year. I had bridal tryouts. I had pre-wedding shoots. I had fun, guys. I had fun. My makeup box grew. Like, I need to change my box to a bigger box. My makeup box grew a whole lot. Lots of products, premium brands. Like, I'm totally grateful. So what are you grateful for? Let me know in the comment section. Have you written down your 2021 goals? Like, I will not even joke with it. After what I've experienced this 2020, I'm not even joking about how I want my 2021 to be. So I'm walking into 2021 prepared and ready to take the world, because I've totally cleared my slate. I've cleared, all bad energy. I've just like paved way for new doors. So I'm just pumped and ready to see what God has for me in 2021. So what about you? So what are your plans for 2021? What do you want to do better? Do you want to improve your relationship? Do you want to get married? Do you want to start your own business? Do you want to learn a skill? What is it exactly? Let me know in the comment section. So this video is not supposed to be long. I just wanted to gist with you guys and just give you update about what I've been doing, where I've been, and it's just basically work. My life is work. Work. So people will ask me, is it just makeup? I'm like, yes. For every passion you have, there's always a chance of pursuit. So you cannot pursue what you don't have passion for. So as far as I have passion for makeup, I'm pursuing it with everything I have. So most times it gets so tiring, but the fact that I love it and the fact that I like making people look beautiful keeps me going, and it's on to the next client and on to the next client and on to the next client. So that is where growth comes from. So most times I'm not like disposed to take calls or call friends, but this is what I'm doing, and I'm very sure because of the kind of friends I have, they are really understanding, and I love them so much. I love you all so much. I love you. I love you. Thank you for being an understanding friend. Thank you for being an understanding subscribers as well. Please don't unsubscribe to my channel. You're supposed to help me grow. Share my content to your other friends so that they will subscribe, so that we can grow. Like 1,000 is not that far away. 1,000 subscribers is not that far away. There are people on this YouTube channel. There are people on this YouTube that has millions of subscribers. So 1,000 is not enough. So all road leads to 1,000. So thank you all so much. I pray for a greater 2021. I pray for greater opportunities. I pray for life. I pray for blessings. And we shall not lose any of our family members. Like very important, we shall not lose any of our family members. I know Christmas has come and gone, but it's not too late to receive. God can do something from now to the end of the year. Can always do something. He's a last minute person. If the door is locked, it's going to come in through the window. So I believe that something can still drop into our account or anywhere. You can just be blessed anywhere. Okay, so I believe in possibilities, even if it's 1 hour to the end of 2020. So yeah, thank you all so much for your love again. Thank you all for your support. I want to make more videos in 2021. I would really love if you request for what you want to see, what content you want me to make. You get, I would really love it if you request. Seriously, it helps me know what next to create, even when I'm stuck. So yeah, please feel free to comment what you want to see next, what tutorial you want to see. I would love to hear from you. So please let me know in the comment section as well. So yeah, I'll end this video by saying Happy New Year. Happy New Year, people. Happy New Year, Erezi family. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. I wish you everything good come 2021, and I love you all so much. Bye. See you in 2021. And hey, don't forget to watch my vlog. I put those things together for you all. I think I spoke a little. Thanks to my amazing friend Peter Frames. I met him this year 2020, and he has been so instrumental. Peter Frames, thank you so much. And to the rest of the people I met this year, thank you. God bless you. And yes guys, please watch my vlog. Yeah, bye.